Hi, I'm doing a Knit Crate yarn giveaway and all links are down below in the description. So if you come here to this link, if you'd like to sign up under me, you can join me and use the promo code JEWEL20 and get 20% off your first month if you sign up under that link down below in this video. They have the Knit and Crochet monthly club, the sock club, and this quarterly club. You can join any of those. Okay, and also my website is amyscrochetpatterns.com. It's right up here. And if you go to patterns, I have hundreds of free patterns available. And if you go to holidays and click on that, it will take you to holidays. And we have a couple of holidays coming up, which is Valentine's Day. Right here are all my hearts. I think I might move this up to make it more accessible. You can just click right on to any of these hearts. It will take you right to the hearts. So let's click on this one. And most of my patterns have videos that come with it if you need a video tutorial. I know this one has a video right here. And so it just takes you right to the patterns. And then my Etsy store is down below as well. You can click on Crochet Patterns PDF. I just added this purse, heart purse. And here's a homemade tag with care, some ponchos, purses, vintage patterns. And then if you go to all, this 4 crochet printables. And then I have a bunch of tags, birthday tags and holiday tags for Valentine's Day and holidays and calendars. Okay, and also my crochet group and page is listed below in the description. You can click on those and like my crochet page as well as my group down below in the description. All right, so let's see what the giveaway is. Okay, so for this giveaway, I just need you to comment down below. It comes with this little postcard here. So comment down below something crochet related. Make sure you are a subscriber. Come back in about a week to see if you are the winner. This yarn here, it's like a dark gray. It's the Audine Wools flannel. It is really soft, very nice to the touch. And this is slate alpaca wool. And it looks like it needs a US 7 hook or bigger. So this yarn is really nice quality, very soft. And just comment down below if you want to participate in this giveaway, something crochet related, a video you would like to see, and make sure you are a subscriber. Thank you for watching.